Hi there, welcome to another episode of the Legal Minute with me, Sophia Bryan. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about an area that I've often spoken extensively about, and we'll have several episodes dedicated to this particular area of the law. Now, I am an attorney at law that's practicing in the island of Jamaica, and I'm an international legal consultant. And my mission is to use the vehicle or help my clients to use the law as a vehicle to build and protect their legacy. Now, today we're going to be speaking about company incorporation, the various types of legal structures that business owners slash investors can consider in order to protect themselves. So, in the process of building your asset, building your legacy rather with business, you also need to take into consideration how to protect it, protect yourself, and protect your assets that have nothing to do with that particular venture. Now, there are three main types of legal vehicles or means to register a business or register a company. There is sole proprietorship or sole trader, there is partnership. For some legislations or jurisdictions, there's a limited liability partnership, and there's also a limited liability company. Now, of course, there are other areas, other vehicles, C Corp, S Corp, and those really when you think talking about like multi-million multinational corporations, but for persons who are operating at a certain level, maybe you're just starting out, or maybe you want to add something to what you already have. These are the three main areas that you want to consider: sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company. I'm going to be speaking about sole proprietorship today because that is, I wouldn't say that the simplest, because there are quite a few things to consider, but this would be the easiest way to access some of the benefits that come with being a business owner. So sole proprietorship, and the word sole gives it away, means or refers to one individual. So the sole owner or the sole proprietor of a business goes and registers the entity, right? So the reason why sole proprietorship is sometimes referred to a trade name or a business name, doing business as a sole trader, is because the individual and the entity is one and the same. There's no separate legal identity there. It's simply an individual saying to the world, I'm operating a business, and this is what I'm calling the business. That's it. That's the basic way I can go ahead and explain it to you. You have a business idea, and you're saying to the world, look, I have this business idea. This is what this business idea is being referred to. And going ahead and doing that, registering that name, allows you to do certain things like going ahead and registering a bank account or setting up a bank account. It allows you to maybe do some of the tax related things as attached to the business under the business name. But at the end of the day, you, the individual that have started this venture, you are the one that is at risk. You are the face of it legally. There is no separation between the business name and yourself. Now, come to think of it, I may need more than a minute to go into this particular area. But for now, sole trader, sole proprietorship, trade name, doing business as, business name, there's no real legal protection. All your assets are at risk. or are exposed, but at least you'll be able to have some amount of separation where taxes are concerned to an extent, and you'll be able to filter money from the business in its own bank account, and you'll be able to say to the world that, look, I'm legitimate. I've at least taken the step to go through these legal protocols. It may not, you are not necessarily protected, but at least to the world, you are someone that you've taken a step towards being legitimate. And so there's a benefit of considering that, of course. I'll go into the pros and cons a little bit more. But if I've sparked your interest, you want to access this option for yourself in Jamaica, uh, email me, sophia@sophiabryan.com. My link to book a consultation is in the show notes or somewhere below this video. And of course, you can send me an email, visit my website, sophiabryan.com. This is not legal advice, this is public education to help you spark your interest to go and do your research and or contact your attorney at law. So until next time, talk soon. Bye.